It's okay if they come out while you're playing, but to start the game, they need to be in.
Tuck in.
You got it? It's recording. It's recording? Okay.
Are you guys all tucked in? You guys just crazy tucked in?
Black, go!
Thank you, man. Thank you, man.
Push your pop, Brian. Push your pop. Come on, come on. Go. Good, man, kid. Good. Put your back, run.
Good, Dad.
Drop. Good, Jim. Drop right.
Thank you, man. Shots. Thank you, man.
Cross, land it, cross this way.
Let them play. Stop. Get back. Thank you, man.
Back up, yellow, back up, yellow, back up, yellow.
Watch out.
Right ball, baseline. Yellow, you gotta back up.
Yellow coach. Coach.
Black ball,
That's the first one.
opposite. Opposite for right.
Yeah, the way they press it?
Opposite for right.
Yeah, let them know. Let they press it.
With always playing.
Opposite. Right, these rules, man, these rules. No, don't point at me, nigga. They screwing off your goofiness.
Good job. Okay. One more. Good. Ooh, good shot. There you go. Right there, one more. Man to man.
Shoot!
Got that. Look ahead. Double.
I didn't have my whistle in my mouth. I just get it back. Drop that right. Offensive foul, 5 go.
Let's go. Defense. Go. Get back. Man to man.
Corner to Ryan. Other side. Corner to Ryan.
Man to man.
Corner, Ryan.
Oh.
It's not gonna be double every time. Chill out.
It's okay.
Opposite.
Hey,
You got one. You got the other. Get him off the line, ref.
Hey, let them draw. Let's go. Be on you. Someone's open. There you go. Good. Guys. Get back, D. Get back on D. No press. Get back on D. Eli, get back. You gotta get back. First quarter.
Corner out. Go ahead. Go by. Good job, Matthew. Shoot. Good, Matthew.
There you go. Rotate. Shoot that. Guys, come on. Hey,
just no pressure in the first quarter.
Yeah.
Now it's free for the rest of the
Now
game.
it's gonna be free.
The whole game now.
Unless up by 11.
Oh, okay, unless they up by 11.
So they couldn't play defense in the first quarter.
They couldn't do backcourt.
Yeah, they could.
Now they can play
Now
defense.
they can. But until a team
Unless
leads by
somebody get up
11.
by 11.
Just run this right.
All of it?
I'm gonna watch the little kids that we just seen.
You had to know it was going to be some games like this.
Right. My little man, they was going back and forth on that last game.
It's going to be gold ball, side out.
Man to man, man to man. Man to man. Over here. Take your time, man. Take your time. Ooh. Stop ball, stop ball.
Good move. Good job, shoot. Good move, good move.
Swing that. Hey guys, swing the ball.
Go by.
Keep Keep driving, guys. Come on. Let's go. Ooh, nice. Too quick. Too quick.
Good job, Roxy.
Can't get up. You can't get up with the ball. You know. We go pretend like we don't know that.
Good ball, Larry, ball. Good ball.
Go right here, right here. Come on, stop there. Look where you at. Look where you at. Behind the blue line. Behind the blue line. Not both of y'all, just one. Come on, son. We good?
Wait, what?
Everett, Eli, Everett, come out. Eli, come out. You get in.
No, he's taking away. The other sub got to come out. Y'all still got 6 out there.
No, we got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, is he clear?
He's in. He's in.
No, he's right there on the side, brother.
Let's go. Right there. That's a shot. That's a shot.
Get a rebound!
Good job. Oh, no. Oh, go play it out.
Come on.
Take your time. And 1. Good job. Good job. Good job. Sorry. Good job, Dave. Keep driving. Right there.
Shoot it!
Come back. On it. Over. Over there. Right there, one more.
Shoot
Good
it!
shot.
Guys, go double team!
Guys, no, Nathan. Get open. You're so open. Get it open, okay? Good job, shooting. Good job. Good job, guys. 34 seconds left. Listen. Guys. 34 seconds left. We're gonna get the ball back. You guys drive all the way. Once you get the rebound, they're gonna try to set up play. Get the rebound. Outlet. Keep getting shots. When you get again, you get out there, you guys are doing good. You guys four of you guys out here. You. Everybody in there. Ball. If I look at the ball, the ball. Shot. Get a good shot. That's all I want. Same five, get back in. Same five, get back in.
All right, all in.
Eli is here.
Liam, in the corner.
Who else?
Both sides.
Who's in there? Nathaniel in there. You said. Over here, guys. Listen. Shh. Hey.
You guys have fun.
You ain't no fun no more. You gonna leave us?
I want to go back to school, man. Piggyback school. I was going to come home this weekend, but my parents were like, "Come home this weekend." I was like,
Second quarter. No, I'm free throws. No. Free throws.
oh, they don't do it.
Yeah, man. Like, I ain't never seen no shit like that before.
Yeah.
The whole team. Everybody got to get a shot.
Driving.
Let's go.
Let me see who's coming in. Hold on. Nathaniel,
Go,
Oliver, and
let's
Nathan.
go. Let's go.
Nathaniel, Oliver, and Nathan.
Black ball, going this way, boys. Going this way.
Man to man, let's go. Good. Oh, look ahead. Oh, out. Go. Elbow, let's go. Take it out. Don't go here. Abe. Let's go. Good job, boys. Let's go. Okay, guys. Let's go. Pass it. Go. Swing it. That side. Keep going ahead.
Rebound. Up.
Good save. Good job, good job. Keep it up, keep it up. Good, good. Let's go. Guys, pick up a green. Let's go.
Landing in your post. Orion, be active here. Be active here.
Read the defense. Read the defense. He's driving right. What are you doing? Let's go. Keep going, moving. Here. Yeah, good. Good play. Get back, get back. Go, right there. Get it. Go get it. Owen's in, yeah, good. Grab that. Get over the closer, go closer. That's good. Good pass. Oh,
Landon, have foot. Back. All the way down. Orion, X. He rolls.
Never aim Owen.
Land it. Maybe not. Land it, maybe not. Hustle up. Watch it. Take it out. Armand. Go ahead.
Let's go, come on.
Liam, post. Roxton, post. Orion, elbow. Liam, post. Run defense. Liam, middle. Amon, run defense, Amon. Lay up.
Good job, Evan. Keep going. Look ahead. Come on.
Lay up.
Box out. Box out. Bulldozers.
Get ready.
Orion, half court.
Get over there, go. Pass it. Go.
Run defense! Everybody else go Good job, boys.
That's the third time. Third time I got another side.
I love it.
got the Patrick Ewing Adidas on.
There's no water. Let's ready. Let's get in a battle.
Yeah, no, I seen the dude with some New Balance. That's on the pin.
I won't even ball and leave.
Yeah, no, I mean, they're court shoes.
Yeah, but they don't got
Skating.
I got my Giannis.
Whoever win the fourth quarter wins.
Halftime.
Or no, last quarter.
I mean, fourth quarter. My bad, fourth quarter. My bad. Look, he tried to make fun of me. They didn't score on my mistake, nigga. They scored a home basket when you did that. This thing did, nigga. I had to tell her no basket. I had to tell her no basket. Tell her no basket.
You gotta take that ball. My first man. You have to take that ball. Okay? Man to man! Pick a man! The deal, where you lost? Oh, go! Evan! All the way, Evan! Take your time! Take your time! Hey, keep up taking your time there. Hey, come on. Evan.
Okay, two hands, boys. Let it. Work.
Owen, right there, Owen. Go, Owen. Go, Owen. Again, under. Good. Let's go. Over here. Take it out. Damn, take it out.
Go ahead, look up.
Get out. Get spread out. Come closer. Lewis. Everybody go over there. You, go over there. Get the ball. Go. And stay over there. Get the ball. Everybody get the ball. Go.
Bye-bye.
Right there.
sub. Come on, sub. Come on, sub.
Come on, one defense.
Offense.
We're down. Landon, take it out. Liam, all the way down. Liam, not you. Half court. X. Go ahead. Come on, X. On you. Come on. No, here. All the way down.
Box out, Bulldozers. Let's go. Let's go. All of you go. All of you. Let's go. Look ahead. Look ahead. Look. Come over here. One more.
Post.
Let's go. Everett, go. Everybody go. Get the ball. Go, Owen. Go, Owen. Yeah, behind you. No, you don't got it. Two on you. Swing it. Right there. Stop. Stop. You got it. Let's go. Good job, Ollie. All the way.
Defense, Landon, what defense? What defense, Landon? Good. Jackson, kick it out. X, go. X.
Oh, double.
Landon, elbow. Go ahead, get in front. Landon, on defense. Get in front, Landon. Good, Landon.
Go ball, let's go. Daniel, out. Let's go, Arnie. Let's go, Arnie. Okay. Man, guys.
Roxon, Orion is wide open. Let them X. Let him X. Orion, give me a Orion, Run, Orion.
Guys, Evan, over there. Man, you might get the ball. Get the ball. Good. Go. 4-1. 4-1. Good. Hold it. Good. Right hand. Right hand. Oh, good. Good job, bro. Good job. No, he don't. He said he don't.
You have a timeout.
I know. I'm not calling it. Go.
No,
No, I'm not calling. Go. Please do that. Good job.